tonight, I'm gonna introduce you to my friend Dreo.
Hi!
We're gonna do bagraid.
Alright, start now?
Tingnan natin kung what's inside his bag.
Yeah, let's check. Okay, I'll just remove it for you.
Let's go.
So, now, like it's a trend, like whenever I go out, I bring my fanny pack with me.
Yes.
So it's very like trendy at the same
Fanny
time.
pack mo is a Prada fanny pack.
It's actually nice, right?
It's very nice. I like it.
And it's like very easy to use. Like you can put like
Pauso siya.
everything
Talagang
inside.
Yeah.
So first things first, I have my phone. Of course, it's very
Sino
important. That's me.
Yes,
I don't know
that's
if you
him
can see.
in
I think this one is in Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Okay, so the next one is what's this one? A cord
Yeah, power
for
cord.
cell phone. And I do have my. It's like because my lips tend to be dry at times, so I have my lip moisturizer. Like it's like, and I have my wallet with me.
So what's inside your wallet?
Oh, my wallet's like a picture of Ryan, and I actually like use cards more often than cash. So I have my cards here, and I don't have like I think I have like 500. This is my
Show
only
them.
cash. No more.
Wala siyang cash.
Wala. And then this one is I think
Cards.
really interesting. I have like
Suki.
Mercury Suki card with me. It's very like Titos of Manila. I also have like the Get Go points.
For
It's really good,
flights,
actually,
yes. Cebu Pacific,
Yeah,
yes.
and Robinson's reward cards because I usually do my groceries at Robinson's supermarket because it's near my house. So that's just about it. And then on the smaller zipper,
Apartment, yes.
I have like Neozep. Yeah, because like I have like runny nose at the moment, so it helps me like to eradicate it. I also have like antihistamines because I have allergy rhinitis.
Okay. Yeah, pero tayo.
Yeah,
Remember
like-
we were in Taiwan?
Say for instance, like when I go out and it's dusty and there's like certain smell, it's not good. So I have to
Yes.
always bring this one. It saves me a lot. So I also have Alaxan because like I work out
Body
every
pain.
day, almost every day actually. So every body pain, this is the only solution. I take one of it and I'm good. I also have like alcohol.
So yun lang.
Yeah, I think that's all about it.
Nilabas ko na talaga.
Yeah,
lahat.
no more.
Bag, wallet.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
So
all
where'd you
about
get your bag? It's so
I
nice.
bought it in Hong Kong
It's so nice. It's a funny
on my
bag.
birthday.
Very trendy siya.
Yeah, it is.
Ayun, so
Yeah,
that's
that's all.
all.
Till next time, I hope you like our bag
Bag
raid.
series. Yes. Hi again.
Hi again. So this time we will do the bag raid of my bestie Elaine, and let's see what's inside her
Bag. My bag.
Balenciaga bag. So let's start it.
Sige.
All right.
Go.
So what's the first one?
First one is maybe my wallet for sure.
Okay. So what's inside your wallet?
This,
I think that's Bodega Minute.
yes, my wallet. I like simple lang siya.
Yeah. What's
Too
inside it?
flashy and very light.
Yeah.
Cash and card.
Do you use cash more than cards, like me?
I think card more
Card. Me
than
too.
cash. Puro resibo lang siya and
Yeah.
puro barya. Really nothing here. Maybe some
How about pictures? Do you have it here?
yes, emergency
Oh, this one is funny. Show it. Show it.
load for
Load, like-
emergency.
Smart loader.
100.
Yeah.
And then
Prepaid. Picture.
sure.
The other one too.
In case of
Emergency, like
yes.
applying for what?
Yeah, for permits and stuff. Yun, wallet.
What's the next one?
Next one, I usually bring
Camera.
camera since
Sony.
we're out of town. We're here in Pampanga. Ayan,
It's very helpful and
Yes.
useful.
very useful ang camera. And then,
Wow.
galing kami sa pool kanina, so may sunblock ko sa bag.
Yeah.
Natira.
SPF 50.
SPF SPF 50, and ano pa ba?
Hello, Kia.
Nails, stick-on nails.
Really?
I actually got this from Primark.
US,
Sa
right?
in Germany.
Germany?
Ganda siya, like for special occasions or in case of emergency stuff.
You
You
can
don't
just,
need
like,
to,
put it
yeah.
in.
You can just stick it.
Easy to use.
Yes, very much. Ano pa ba?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Oh, I think I think that belongs.
Why because
Elaine?
you...
Yeah. Guys, this is mine. Actually, this is mine. She took it from me.
Wala nang laman.
Yeah, no more. Also, this one, no more.
This is mine.
I think.
Mints
Butter.
for fresh breath.
Yes.
And then
Colgate, like
floss.
lots. When you're eating,
Elainemoll,
okay,
yes.
there's a special tip, guys. When you're eating steak or something like
Yes, for carnivores
meat,
like us,
yeah, it's really important.
floss
Yeah.
is the best.
So like when you smile, like very confident.
Yes, floss. Para walang mga unexpected.
Yeah. No chismis in the teeth.
Sneeze. Sanitizer.
Yeah.
Yan.
That's very feminine, eh?
Yes, sanitizer. Alam mo na. Tapos,
Charger.
Charger is life.
I cannot go out without charger as well.
Yes. Alam mo yan.
Yes.
And then, actually, chewing gum.
Orbit.
Again, for fresh breath. And then, lipstick.
What's your lipstick? I wanna know.
This is American Woman by NARS. I
Yeah.
actually learned it from your friend.
Really?
diba?
Yeah, I remember.
Yes, remember
Because Elaine is like lippy junkie.
I like
She loves
lips.
like to.
So that's NARS. And then
Try
this one is
everything.
by yeah.
So this is the one that you bought, or
Yes,
this one?
I bought. This one is from Sephora. It's a gift.
Okay, this one is like the one you bought, like
Yes.
same as my friend.
Yeah, the one as.
NARS.
Ganda siya for Morena. Promise. And
So
then
it's like NARS.
American Woman.
American Woman, guys.
Ganda siya. And then
So it's Morena skin tone.
yes, for Morenas like. And then
So wet wipes for
Wet
emergency as
wipes.
well, when like when you go
Yes,
to the
you cannot
bathroom
go
or toilet.
out without this.
Most especially for
Kailangan.
girls actually.
Yes.
Kleenex.
And then ano pa ba?
What else?
Lipstick again.
Oh my god, you're a lippy junkie.
Red
That
lips.
one is MAC, right?
Yes. It's
It's like a shimmer. or something.
Love Weapon.
Love Weapon. It suits Morena skin as well.
Yes. Morena skin.
For Morena skin as well.
This is, ito yung mga panglaban days. Like, if you were gonna go to
On a date or
clubbing,
party?
yeah.
Oh, that one is
For
perfect.
nighttime. Like,
Like this.
yeah. For night.
That's nice. So what
Then
else?
in case of emergency,
Wow.
oops.
Loop earrings.
Hoop earrings.
Yeah, like
This one.
it's a feminine stuff.
It can
right?
transform your outfit.
Yeah.
Super.
It actually suits when you wear it.
Yes. Depending on the occasion. Kung
And
ngayon
the
medyo
dress.
ano lang, yeah,
Like
subtle
simple,
lang.
yeah.
Stud lang. And then,
What's that? Like
pouch.
for your
For,
accessories?
yeah, for accessories. Sometimes you need to take them off.
Earrings, yeah.
Earrings. Para may safekeeping. Diyan sila nakalagay. Minsan sa mga fashion shows, you need
Yeah,
to take
for
them
emergency.
off. Or fittings. Ayun. Since marami.
So
And then,
perfume. What's your perfume? Oh no, it's not
wala.
perfume. It's like a mist.
I left the perfume.
Me too. I love it. So this one, tell me about it.
This one is the mist. It's like a water mist
From La Mer.
by La Mer. It will really rehydrate your skin, or
Can I try it?
yeah,
Okay.
if you're
So it
tired,
sounds like
if you're feeling tired,
mist.
or like you
It's
feel
like-
like dull, your skin is getting
I think
dull.
like quick touch up, right?
Yes,
Like when
it
you're
will
tired
really
and you're like exhausted, like
refreshen your face.
so good. Now I feel
Promising.
handsome. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, and then
What else?
this one. I bought this in Germany. Actually, this is for my brother. I always bring it because
What is that?
sometimes this is tobacco
Really?
snuff.
Tobacco?
Yeah, but I don't smoke. Pero
This one for butter.
yeah, for my brother, he asked me to buy it for him. It's still in my bag. So, ayan. And then ano pa ba?
Daughter wallet. What's that? Tell me.
A wallet.
Oh, yes, it's a wallet.
This is not my wallet.
Someone's
But it's
wallet.
it's in my bag.
Yeah.
then that's all.
No more. Wow.
That's all.
That's all? Like for a
I
feminine.
actually like this bag because it fits
a lot
a
actually.
lot of things. Ito may piso.
Yes. Wow. Piso.
That's all. Ayan, wala na siyang naman.
That's
Yun
all about it.
lang. Thank you for watching. What's
Thank you
in
for
my
watching
bag.
and see you again next time.
Yes,
Hope you like our video
next time.
and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe. Yes.